Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to add points in a sketch. We learned how to add text in a sketch, we will continue it from there. Now let's click on the point icon. And draw a few points by clicking here and there. Now add dimensions to define their location. Points are added in a sketch to guide the new geometry to be constructed. Now create some points on the circle. Go to Smart Dimension and you can assign distance or even angle to the points. In our upcoming lectures, we will use points to create modifications in our geometry. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.